Hello fellow astronomy enthusiasts, this is Zach Stockbridge. This video is primarily for teachers, but anyone looking for another fun way to spend some of your time during the partial phase of the upcoming total solar eclipse should enjoy this. I'm going to talk about how to measure the diameter of the sun using your own direct measurements. First off, teachers know that students are going to remember Eclipse Day for the rest of their lives. So no pressure, but hopefully this lesson will help enhance that experience. Pinhole projectors are the safest and still perhaps the least expensive way to view a solar eclipse. You can use the same pinhole projector to take measurements that allow you to calculate the diameter of the sun. The math is simple. It's proportions. So as long as you remember how to cross multiply and divide, you're golden. What you do is you use the pinhole projector to project the image of the sun through a pinhole projector onto a card or plate. You measure the diameter of the sun's projected image on your plates and the distance between these two. Then you look up the distance between the Earth and the sun. You use those three pieces of information to put into your proportion, solve for the one missing piece, and voila, you have the diameter of the sun. This activity works on any day. No eclipse necessary. As long as the sun is shining, you can do this. You don't have to be in the path of totality. You can be in a different part of the continent where the eclipse will only be partial. It'll work for everybody. It's a great hands-on activity for your students. But if you need an excuse to take your class outside for the solar eclipse on April 8th, now you're going to have it. I've used this activity with my students as a lab for years, and if they work carefully, it's possible to get results well within 5% of the accepted diameter of the sun. The procedure is all written out step by step, and there are actually a couple of simple video demos embedded in the file for the lesson plan, because I used to use this for a lab activity in my online courses as well. I've put a bit of work into this lesson, so I'm not giving it out totally for free. Please purchase it from my website for $1. That's less than the cup of coffee in exchange for a great activity that you can use on Eclipse Day and then keep and use as part of your curriculum going forward. The digital download will also include a spreadsheet with some additional information, and the spreadsheet will do all of the grading calculations for you. So when you're checking your students' work, simply type in their measurements. It'll do all the math. Speed things up for you a lot. This is a great little lab activity, and I hope you and your students enjoy it.